Hey friends, and welcome to chapter 26 of my life. I was reflecting on my last birthday, and I remember starting it off telling you guys about how we were kind of in a tight spot and we couldn't really afford to have the day that I wanted to have. And funny enough, a couple months before that, around August, October, fall, that time of the year, I have this memory of sitting down in our bathroom and I just bawled my eyes out because for the first time ever in my life, we didn't have enough money for groceries, simple necessities. We had recently moved out to California, and when I tell you California is expensive, baby. But as you guys know, we're a military family, so we go where we need to go. The point is that in the last year from when I turned 25, I did so much growing and I am so proud of myself. I quit my job at Burger King and I invested $600 into myself. And remember, I just told you that about a year before that, I didn't even have money for food. So $600 was a lot of money, but I did it. I studied hard and I passed my test and I became a NASM certified personal trainer. So now I have a nice little cushiony job at the gym. I'm working full time. I'm training and I'm getting booked, you guys. I'm sorry that I haven't posted for you guys in a while. I also now coach a children's soccer team, and that's pretty awesome too. It's really cool to be able to kind of mold some kids' lives in even small ways. And I feel like coaches, they teach children discipline and accountability, and I'm thankful for that opportunity. 25 was filled with so many blessings, and I can't wait to see how many more blessings 26 will bring to me. Thank you guys so much for believing in me and for supporting me. Thank you to those of you who've reached out to me and told me how I inspired you, because every time you did, you inspired me. There was a time where I didn't believe in myself enough. There was a time where I didn't have the confidence to do everything that I'm doing now. But sometimes you just gotta have a little faith, right? Had a pastor who'd say that you just had to have faith the size of a mustard seed to move mountains. But anyway, you guys, let's get into that video. Hi friends, my name is Lindsay Wallace, for those of you who don't know, and for those of you who do, welcome back to my channel. So your girl is 26 as of today. It's my birthday. I wanted to take you guys along with me just like I did last year, but we're starting off last year I think we started off my birthday the same way. We're going to the gym. Cody's feet are like loud. But if you notice, we're kind of in a new environment. I'll explain in detail in another video, but basically we moved into a new house. So if you see that my house looks like a wreck, mind your business. I'm moving. We'll have an organization video at some point, but it's not gonna be today because it's my birthday and it's the birthday weekend. Hi, Craig. Thank you. I need to make my pre-workout so that we can go and start heading out to the gym. My goal for today, as far as my workout, I'm not doing my usual workout like routine wise, you know. I decided that for my birthday, I want to max out on all my lifts. I want to completely max out. So my pre-workout always makes me cough. Anyway. Damn. We're having an SBD day, so what does that mean? We're doing squat, bench, and deadlift today. My goal is to do a 315 squat, a 225 bench, and a 315 pull deadlift. Those are the goals. We'll see what happens. My current numbers right now is like, for squat, I do like, I'll put a little bit more for good luck. Cool, come on. Okay. Do it. So my current squat right now is like Wait, what? 220? I think it's like 275 is my current squat. And then my current benching PR is like 185. And then my current deadlift PR is like also 275. So the numbers that I'm going for aren't too far off of what I already can do, but they are really big numbers. So I'm kind of nervous for today, especially because I switched from like a powerlifting type of workout routine to more of a bodybuilding workout routine. So I haven't done powerlifting in like 3 weeks. So I don't know how today is gonna go, but I decided overall that I wanted to start my birthday off with a little adrenaline. Okay. I was gonna make a breakfast sandwich, but I think I'm just gonna eat a banana. And then I'll just bring like a snack with me, like a protein bar. I think we still have protein bars. My gym's right next to a grocery store, so this is the last protein bar, but we can always go next door and buy some more.
But we're not.
But anyway, you guys, we're gonna go ahead and start heading out to the gym. I'm so excited for today. Let's go! Max, move! If Max tried to just stick his head out, like if he could do that, go ahead.
I gotta go there.
You hear all the birds in that tree over there? Thank you. I was like, her mouth is moving. Dude, oh, that's, you don't see my face. That was awesome.
You made that one.
Oh, you want to?
I'm good.
You want to say hi to the vlog? Say hi. Up, up, up.
Come on.
I love you all real fast.
It was half.
So, get underneath the bar but don't lift.
Okay.
Set your shoulder blades where you want them. And now drive through your heels and see if you become more powerful.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, it like really braces the core.
Like, think of it like a squat laying down and with my arms. Okay.
In my like 6 months of dabbling in powerlifting, I learned that. I never wanted a big ass arch because it looked like it hurt. But
And also, I don't understand how my back's supposed to do that.
no, mine goes like this. I can't even do the freaking back, man.
I do like a little bit, but I can't. Not. There's this one girl who like, and I don't know how she does that.
Up, 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 up. You got it. Push, push.
Back in my bag, yo. Conscious. ISO. Diamond. Back in my bag and I gotta brag, I do this shit for real. When we was down and we had nothing, we had to share a meal. We put the shit in overdrive with no steering wheel. Shorty throw that thing back in a pair of heels, yeah. She be riding on that thing like a Ferris swell. Yeah, I love them dark skin, brown skin, caramel. You know I had to bring her to the hood like she Karen Civil when she keep on turning head. Cause when she walk that thing jiggle, jiggle.
And we going back to back on them like we Huey and we Riley. This that back in my back flow, we back again so highly. This that back in my back flow, we back to change the climate. This that back in my back flow, we bring the force like Tommy. Back in my back flow. Back in my, yeah, back in my bag, yeah. I'm back in my, I'm back in my bag, yeah. I'm back in my, this my, back in my bag flow.
Back again, yeah, we keep on stacking it, what's happening? Everything in Gucci got me feeling like I'm dapper then. Life has been a movie, yeah, so shout out to the cameraman. Pull up to the scene, it's going down like an avalanche.
Steady going up like a travel plan. Homer Simpson face, lucky power plant. Yeah, I'm off that dope, like I'm back again to visit at the Mellies. Out on Club Hers, give the word if it's a cinch, Lord forgive me. Still having motion, dog, so why would I slow it? Make it rain on them, bust a band, then you throw it. We was steady having it, even at our lowest. High speed road runner, keep my motor going.
Hey, people feel away, but they don't show it. Gotta watch the people that's around you, that you grow it. They be coming around you with some plans to steal your moment.
Look at all my pink donuts, you guys. Thanks, Becca.
You gotta do it this, like the other way. Can you see them good?
Yeah.
I'm touching them all, that's bad.
I was about to say.
It's okay.
That was gonna be a failure.
Did we get it good
I
on
know
that?
my grandfather's favorite, the little squiggly ones.
Cheers. Do you want one?
Yeah, they're like a. Yeah. Text me that coffee that you want. Also, drink it.
After the donut break, now we're gonna crush it.
Up. When you're done.
You have straps?
I got straps and grips.
Because that's my problem. I can feel it like just slipping out of my hands.
No, the camo straps I just in your bag. You keep them.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
How do I?
Curve it around the bar so it's resting on your fingers. Yeah.
Brain scheme to get the riches quick. I played a long game with serene scene and the whip is quick. From the back room to the hearts, I'm in the thick of it. I grind too hard for y'all not to see me as star, bitch. I'm raising a bar like they really pay me. They talk my life been in shambles, but I got handles. I'm finishing at the rim. I remind you time and again that I'm really him. Oh, you ain't know? This shit not just for the show, but bet you entertain. Anybody not for me is below me. Blow me, you in the way. I live my dreams, I got it locked. The master keeping on me. Back in the field, running audibles with the team. Everything I got out the mother. Told my truth, I shake that fake shit. They praise you, then minimize you behind you. Just
Fail and you unload it.
Heel click, dog. You did a heel click. That was the whole point.
Alright, friends, it's been just a little bit since we spoke. My battery died when we were at the gym, and then I was kind of like in a rush, and then also I just didn't want to forget anything. Yes, I have just pizza crust in my hand. My favorite part of the pizza, so Craig saved it for me. But we are on our way to Laguna Beach, and we're on our way to the hotel. But there's a place that I want to stop on the way. It's a liquor store that we stopped at when we went to Lancaster, which you would have seen one of the clips in my last video from January. But they had these like sour gummy worms, but they were like Mexican style, so like with the chamoy, and I think they put like tahini and stuff on it. So good, and I have to have them. So we're gonna stop so I can get those, and then we're gonna just go to the hotel. So enjoy the scenery, the views, the clips. I'll see you guys at the hotel, okay?
I don't wanna think too much. I can take my time, no rush. go with confidence. When I go to roll our hips and take a sip on it. Take a trip on it. When I go, you can go slow. Wind it up all night. Baby, take your time. Let me know I want. When you turn me around, I want. When the neighbors yell, turn down. We keep it going. Like bum, bum, bum. Throw it back, then rotation. Cigarettes and the season. Shine bright as the season. Girl, you know you are a jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. We know like me. We know shine bright like royalty. We know stay keep a dignity and wine. So kind of your neck is stolen. You been waiting on me to solve it for me. And last weekend you had me thinking, almost kicked in and lift my head up like bum bum bum. Throw it back then rotation. Cigarettes and the season. Shine bright as the season. Girl, you know you are a jam 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 jam. Jam 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 jam. Jam 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam 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 jam. Jam 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 jam. Jam 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Can't you? Yeah, you make me feel like we could do. Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again. Can't you? Yeah, you make me feel like we could do. Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam.
Hey friends, so we are back at the hotel. You know what was crazy? When we were at the movies, somebody started snoring. It was me. I went to sleep. We went to go see the Ant-Man and the Wasp into the Quantuminium or something like that. And I fell asleep, but low-key, excuse me, I kind of felt like I was gonna do that only because one, it was late, and if we go and see a movie after 5 o'clock, I'm most likely going to sleep. And then two, I was well fed, so there's also that. Now Craig is bringing the cake, so I decided, you know, why not bring my friends to sing happy birthday too? Okay, let me set you guys up. And also, I'm not wearing pants. I've been seeing this thing on TikTok where people ask if you grew up with a naked mom, and then a lot of people were talking about Winnie the Pooh moms. I'm gonna be a Winnie the Pooh mom. As you guys know, I don't like wearing pants, so I tend to not wear pants at home and just wear like a nightie or a muumuu. But yeah.
Wait, you about to record me? Come on, bro. Let me at least put some pants on or something, bro. You was about to record me out here.
I'll close my eyes. My eyes are still closed.
Yo, eyes, nigga, talking about the camera.
I know what you're talking about, but I meant like you wanted to do a surprise. That's what it seemed like.
I'm sorry. Happy birthday, Lindsay. Happy birthday, Lindsay. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Lindsay.
Woo! Maxie.
Happy birthday, Lindsay.
Thank you, bud.
There are no cameras, but it's your actual birthday.
This is beautiful, bud. And it's funny because I kept saying I wanted a cupcake. You got me a cupcake cake. Since I was a kid, those used to be my favorite because they used a good icing for that. I want a vanilla one first.
You want one right now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. and my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like, oh yeah.
Good morning, friends. Today is February 18th, the day after my birthday. Second day of being 26. Old as hell. Not really. Anyway, we are getting ready because we have to go on a road trip again. And we're driving back home, really, so that Craig can do what he has to do, and then we're gonna come back. It's military stuff. As always, the military owns both of our lives, so we have to be willing to change our ideas in the drop of a dime. So so that's what we're getting ready to do, and then we're gonna drive back out here again. So today we're gonna have 6 hours or so of driving and get into some other things. I'm gonna finish getting ready and I will see you guys in a little bit.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly.
Shit, let me get a iced coffee, a cold brew. Yeah, iced coffee, yeah.
But we get up and start from the ground.
Vanilla. Yeah, that's it.
I really wanna know if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my.
Alrighty, friends, we are officially on the way back now, so I don't know if I'm going to show you guys any more sights. I might if I see something cool, but we're driving back now. We are driving in a new car, doesn't belong to us, but we rented it. Remember, military stuff. Yeah. So now we're driving back, and then we're going to get into some different things today. I know I want to go to the beach, but also we're just going to play it by ear because I don't want to struggle. But overall, I know I want to go to the beach today. But yeah. Okay, we're on the way. Hey friends, so we're back at the hotel and we've got the puppies and Max is peeing, but we're going to the beach now. The initial plan was that we were gonna have a bonfire on the beach and we have a tent and chairs and things like that, but since we had to, or we could put them, you think we could put them right there? Okay. Anyway, yeah, we were gonna have a bonfire on the beach, but since we had to switch cars, we forgot to take everything from the trunk from my car into the van, so we don't have the tent and the chairs and the blanket and stuff. So we're not doing the bonfire anymore, but we're still gonna go to the beach. We're going to like a dog beach and we're just gonna let them have a good time. And then after that, get something to eat. Probably In-N-Out, because I don't know why I've been thinking about In-N-Out so much, but I have. It just sounds so good. But that's what we're doing next and we're on the way. Maxxie. What are you licking?
Oh, you probably will.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You said my words
wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Just tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire.
You know what?
Alrighty, you guys. So I've got the new flavor of Red Bull. It's the Amber edition. It's strawberry and apricot. That is good. That is good, good buddy. Anyway, we just left the beach. We are on our way to, well, back to the hotel really, but we're gonna stop and get In-N-Out on our way. Look at Max. Max is coming. He figured that shit out. But yeah, that's what we're about to do now. We're heading home and then we're gonna get some In-N-Out. I'm gonna have some animal style french fries. Let me tell you, In-N-Out is definitely not like everything that people make it out to be at all, but like I'm craving it. I don't know.
No.
It is pretty good. It's just not the greatest thing. Like I've had better, but also though, like the animal style fries, oh my goodness, they're so good. They're so good. And the onions, I'm gonna ask for extra onions. But I will talk to you guys when we get back to the hotel.
Something to buy, da ba da ba, yeah. Da ba da ba ba ba, da ba 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 da ba ba, yeah.
Are you tired? Is the mushy boy tired?
Set the potato, da ba da da. Boy, yeah. Boy, yeah. Sunlight that always stays. Dinner by the waterway. It's that sweet life. Raise your cross. Made some dude crack a smile. He asked if I could stay a while. I'm living that high life. Time to catch a flight, but you can make me go. Unlocking all the memories of my new home. Ventilated echoes playing to and fro. Back and forth, yeah. Caught some kids dancing in the alleyway. Crazy how the melodies began to play, yeah. Tell me how you feeling when you hear the lyric, yeah. My heart's in Stockholm. Now I never wanna go home. I left my heart on my Vespa.
Hey friends, good morning. It's still morning. It's about 11:30, but we've already checked out of the hotel. We just left from Ross and I got a whole bunch of stuff. I'll show you guys when we get back to the house, but we're about to go thrifting now and then we're gonna get some lunch and head back home.
Just dibble and dabble a little bit more, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Alright, so conscious. When I kiss you, I get a spark. Your body a work of art. Horny thoughts after dark. Used to stay up late to just talk. We was moving fast, trying not to get caught. Damn, your skin so soft. Let me open up your heart, cause life too short till death do its part. Knew it from the start, you be the one I'm pushing carts with. In the supermarket, you know I love to start. Took you to my crib, eating aki and some sawfish. Breakfast in the morning, making waffles and some sausage. Girl, you blow my mind like a Nintendo game cartridge. And when I'm not around, yeah, I think about you often. Sometimes I need my space, cause I don't like the force. Took you on vacation, had you swimming with the dolphins. Living in the barrel, now we got our own apartment. Used to be scared that somebody probably walk in like art. Planting flowers in your garden. I know y'all told you one day we'll be ballin', ballin', yeah. Other girls, they be swarming. I'm just trying to make sure that you all in. So tell me if you want it, yeah. Tell me if you want this, yeah. Tell me if you want it. Tell me if you want this, yeah. Tell me if you want it, yeah. Tell me if you want this.
From prom dates to calm days to trips that last a lifetime, to being on and off, feel like we really trying to buy time. From sneaking round state to state, driving in them white lines, to sharing our own bed, sleeping with you at the nighttime. Roof over our heads, you the queen inside this kingdom. Cooking with you in the kitchen, our song come on, then we sing one. Back and forth like ping pong, I'm in love with your wisdom. I always told you soon, cause to those who wait, good things come. So come right here, let me spin you round. This feels sincere, love, yeah. Like a souvenir, I'll cherish you, yeah. I'll cherish you, yeah. Under the chandelier, yeah. Girl, you're shining through, yeah.
Hey you guys, so we are already home. A little overexposed. And I just wanted to show you what it was that I got from the store. So I got some new pillows, much needed. I'm gonna open them real quick and throw them on the bed. These are our new pillows. I think we'll like them. We got them, I think I got them extra firm. Yeah, extra firm support. And then I also got this for the bed. It's just a mattress cover. It has like a little bit of a cushion. We need a new mattress altogether, but I'm hoping this will make sleep a little bit better for now because mattresses are not cheap, but we will be purchasing one in the near future for sure. I got a new pair of sneakers. Super cute. I like them and they're pink. And I got, oh, they were together, but I guess not anymore. Anyway, I got these gray ones. I'm hoping that I can use either these ones or those ones for running. I'm gonna try them both out and see which ones feel more comfortable. And then I got some new socks because most of my socks have holes in them now. I need to wash those. Oh, I forgot. I got some sour strawberry strips. Yum. I also got some thick bed sheets for the bed, so a new comforter set, which I'll show you guys in a second. Actually, let's go right now because I'm gonna go take these socks, put these in the wash so I can wash these.